Using the QR code in the beginning of this video will take you to this specific project on Thingiverse. This is a DIY blank Funko Pop from this creator. And so what we're going to do here, you can see some images of some people who have remixed this file and created their own. We're going to go ahead and click on Thing Files and print out one of our own. So we're going to download that file specifically by clicking download. Now we're going to go to tinkercad.com. This is a free CAD software that is very user-friendly. It is geared toward children, but many teens and adults can use it too. We use it in our Forge Makerspace because it is just so easy to use, and we can edit and adjust projects on here, and it's free. So we're going to go ahead and drag and drop this file onto our open project, and as you can tell, the original file is massive. So what we're going to do is we're just going to rotate it so we can see the front of the Funko Pop. And now we're just going to adjust its size to be roughly about 4 or 5 inches tall. So now we're going to rotate it upside down, and the reason we do that is because this specific file is top heavy. If we can try to avoid adding supports to your project, we will definitely try. And for this project, we find that it prints a lot easier if it's upside down. And that way we don't need any supports, and it is able to print fully without any help. And so now we're going to export it as an STL file. And once it's exported, we're going to go ahead and submit it to be 3D printed in our Forge Makerspace. So we're going to go to eapl.org/forge to go to our specific Forge page within our library website. Fill in all the necessary information, pick your color. We recommend white, especially if you're trying to personalize it by painting it and adding other details to your Funko Pop. Upload your file and then submit your request. Please allow about 2 to 3 weeks to print. Once we have all our materials, included our 3D print Funko Pop, we're going to go ahead and grab some air dry clay and use the clay to make all the accessories and all the details that the Funko Pop needs in order for it to look like our Tarzan figurine. You can go ahead and use popsicle sticks, pens, pencils, anything with an edge to create texture, especially on the hair, by pressing down firmly. Once you have all the details and accessories made and attached to your Funko Pop, you are now ready to paint. So grab your acrylic paints, paintbrushes, and start painting to make sure that it matches your character's natural colors. We recommend that you paint all the darker colors towards the end, so especially the eyes and any of the facial features that you want in black. And there you have it, your own personalized Funko Pop. You can gift this to a friend, family member, or someone you love as a very cute personalized gift. Please stay tuned for some additional inspiration of some images from our previous Funko Pop programming that we had with teens.